like wrought iron stuff on it. And then it opens up to freaky ghost lady on the stairs. We have the angels on the spine and this on the back. Went to Dairy Queen after and got chocolate Oreo Blizzard. Nice. And we've got our corset pocket. I can't remember where you got up to, Bambi. So we have our corset pocket. Crochet, nice. My son's hair is that long braided. Nice.
Good
Very
job.
nice. My hair got cut recently, so it's quite short. But
I mean, I can braid other people's hair, but I don't know if I could braid my own. I've never really tried.
yeah, I can braid other people's, but not my own. And in the back, we've got a tea pocket. And we are working on other things. That was my nickname in high school. Weird ghost woman on the stairs. Really? That's an awesome, awesome nickname. I wish I had a nickname that cool. Let's not go into my nicknames, but
Which one?
well, which one are you laughing at? Go on. Which one are you laughing at?
It's not your initials,
So
but it is your initials.
which? Thank you. It's actually cat ears. Oh, fair enough. That would be an amazing nickname, though. Weird ghost woman on the stairs. I like that as a nickname.
I mean, it's a bit much.
I like it.
It's like one of my staff members. They were like, "Oh yeah, my name was Sophia, but she went to call Sonia." It's like, what? Oh yeah, Sonia is short. So no, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's exactly the same amount of letters. It's fucking not.
People are weird.
Yeah. Weird Estonian
Now I'm
lady.
just thinking of the "you've got mail" guy saying you've got butt hair. Fair enough. So, well, it depends. Are you talking about the sheep conversation with CJ and BJ? What other one are you talking about that's my initials, that's not my initials, that's my initials? I'm confused.
The abbreviated 2 letters.
Yeah.
That's attached.
Okay. It looked like it's
Okay, maybe
attached
it's
to your
not.
mouths. Because it seemed to be moving.
My mouth.
so-
I have more than one mouth. No wonder I eat so much.
Shut your
It
face.
explains everything.
Shut your face.
Which one?
Right, let's cover these. I'm gutted that I don't have... I might have to make tags that fit these, I think. Ow! What are you doing?
Sorting out that bit that come apart from your braid that kind of just looks like a rat tail now.
Oh yeah, my hair would not do what I wanted it to do earlier. It was really pissing me off. It's been like the last 3 days I've not been able to get it to do what I want it to do. Partly because of my hair and partly because of my hands. Thanks, babe. What's this?
This isn't going to be so great without a brush,
5.
but I will do the best I can.
You've got one mouth in the front, Stu, and one in the back. The back one is significantly lower than the front, says Bambi.
What? How rude.
I mean, Bambi's not wrong.
Hey! You're supposed to stick up for me when people are horrible to me. You're supposed to be my wife.
I love you.
Yeah, you're allowed to be horrible to me, not other people.
Oh, okay. Bad Bambi.
At least make it sound genuine. God. I'm braiding your hair for you, like...
I know, it's lovely, thank you. I love having my hair played with. That's why I'm struggling to do anything. Because I just really like having my hair played with. Abby's going to go sit in the corner.
Yeah, go sit in the corner. You go there and think about what you did.
Alex gives the phone to Twat as he needs food.
Go eat.
Food be's important.
Yep.
Even if it is fried pizza.
Which is just weird.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, went a bit wrong, sorry. Start again.
Oh no, he's going to play with my hair for longer.
It all got a bit twisted.
Puzzles, we are the same person, Squudge. Hopefully Alex isn't deep frying pizza. We are, Sazzle. I'm fairly sure we are. We are very, very similar. I mean, I'm clumsy anyway, but you make me more clumsy. Playing with my hair. I love someone playing with my hair, I really do.
It's because of you, I learned how to braid hair properly.
Yep.
What?
I thought you were doing the other side.
Oh, well, yeah. To be fair, this is where your
Problem
loose
is.
bits come from.
Yeah. My hands were not working earlier when I was trying to do my hair.
To be fair, your hair looked, for the braids, for the most part, really good. It's just that part's come undone.
Yeah, I couldn't get the start.
Mm-hmm.
It was driving me bananas.
Bananas.
What the hell is wrong with fried pizza, he says.
You're not supposed to fry pizza. Bake pizza. How much time have you spent in the States and you don't know it's baking a pizza?
I have no words for you.
Wait, is Dave the type of person that has pineapple on pizza?